Hello friends, today I'm going to explain about the role of secondary node. In the previous lecture, I already explained about the different components of HDFS architecture, and I also explained the role of name node and data node. Today we'll see the role of secondary node. The name node is the master of an HDFS file system. As we discussed, this name node is used to store the metadata informations of different files, like owner of the file, then read or write permission of the file, number of blocks, then block locations, then each block size. These informations are stored in the name node. This information is usually stored in the main memory. But if something goes wrong in the name node, then whatever metadata information stored in the main memory gets lost. So to overcome this metadata loss problem, HDFS maintain a screenshot of this metadata information. We call this file, screenshot file, as FS image file. This file gets stored in the hard disk and is pointed by the pointer dfs.name.directory. But this fs image file is used and get loaded into main memory when name node gets started. Name node never use these files from the hard disk during the runtime. During runtime, this image file is used only from the main memory. In the sense, this screenshot is first stored in the hard disk. Whenever the name node gets started, this file, the screenshot, fs image, is taken from the hard disk to the main memory. So each time taking this file from the hard disk will reduce the overall performance of the system. To overcome this problem, we make use of another file called edit log. The sense, this is a fs image file. This is the fs image file taken from the hard disk. Another file is maintained by the name node, that is edit log. This maintains all the updates. Once the name node gets started, all the editing, deletion of file, creation of new file, all these informations get stored in the edit log. This is the image or screenshot taken from the disk. After this edit log, using another process, we call it as checkpointing, the old fs image is added with the editing, all the editing done, which is stored in the edit log. We get another image, we call it as new fs image. This overall process is called as checkpointing. This will reduce the fetching of this fs image every time during the runtime. This is a screenshot of fs image file. You can observe here, this file is having the id, then type of the file, runtime of the file, then permission given. All these informations are stored in fs image. This is the xml version of fs image file. Next we'll see about edit log and checkpointing. I said about the edit log file, which stores all the editing taken place during the runtime. We also call this as transaction log file. This gets stored in disk, which contains all changes that occur into the file system metadata in memory during runtime. For example, adding the file, adding a new file, deleting the file, then renaming of the file. All this information can be traced from this file. The process that takes the last fs image file and apply all changes which is found during the runtime, that is edit log file, which produce a new file called new fs image. This overall process is called as checkpointing process. This is the screenshot of one of the edit log XML file, which is having timestamp, that is at what time we accessed this particular file, then username, group name, mode of operation, all this information, then length of the file, transmission id, everything is stored in the edit log. Now let us see what is the role of secondary name node here. See, when the name node starts, the name node merges fs image taken from disk and edit log file to restore the current file system namespace. Since the name node runs continuously for long time without any restart, usually this edit log file is a very lengthy file, uh, which takes more time to process. This will result in long restart time for name node. Usually name node having a responsibility of maintaining the metadata of all the files. If any client request for a file, name node need to search for the particular file in different servers or computers. This is a main job of name node. But when the name node starts, it takes too much time to club this edit log and fs image file. So this clubbing of fs image and edit log is given to another block. We actually call it as secondary name node. Clear? So a name node is having two main work. One is giving file access to the client. Second job is to club edit log file with the fs image. But clubbing fs image with the edit log file takes too much time. That time it cannot handle a client request. So that this clubbing of edit log and fs image job is given to another component. We call it as secondary name node. You can observe the overall function here. This is the primary name node and this is the secondary name node. Edit file is initial edit file and fs image. Both the files are initially stored in the disk. Once the name node starts, these files are taken from disk and uh, now taken into the main memory. Once this edit file is taken, all the modification during runtime will be stored in edit.new file. At that time, secondary name node will fetch the edit file and fs image file from the primary name node. This clubbing of or joining of these two files are taken in the secondary name node. After joining, it get the another file called fs image new fs image file. This is then transferred to the primary name node. Okay, this is the actual role of secondary name node. And one thing you remember, secondary name node cannot act like a backup for the primary name node. Secondary name node is used to perform only the clubbing of edit log and fs image, not used as a backup for primary name node. Thank you. This is the overall working of secondary name node. In the next lecture, we'll discuss about the replication. Thank you, students. Take care. Bye.